everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I want to show you how easy it is to do a cutback on your living wall and then root all of the beautiful coleus so that you can plant them in your garden or share them with your family and friends.
Rooting coleus is one of my favorite things to do in the summer. You can easily take these cuttings and root them directly in water. But I always recommend that you transplant them into soil in a container before directly planting them into your garden. The living wall gets replanted each season. This year I planted these coleus in mid-April, directly in Soil Cube organic compost. As the heat has risen, I've adjusted the timer to water every 6 hours for 2 minutes at a time. The results are spectacular.
Okay. So hey Abs, what do you think of the wall?
It's nice.
I got it trimmed up. I learned a while ago that with coleus, you really don't want to let them flower. So this is really the easiest way. You can just trim it midsummer, and then you can root all of these directly in water. These are just ball jars, and I thought maybe we could carry these to some of our neighbors and give them some low maintenance flower arrangements that they'll ultimately be able to plant out in their garden for the season. What do you think? Cheers. For more garden inspiration just like this, follow Bree the Plant Lady on YouTube. Thanks for watching.